everyone, my name is Leami Cabrieda and I'm from Visit English 2C. So my topic will be inclusivity. Inclusivity is more than just a concept. It's about commitment of making sure everyone feels respected, heard, and valued. Creating inclusive spaces allows people from different backgrounds to strive. True inclusivity goes beyond tolerance. It's about embracing and ensuring everyone, regardless of their race, ability, gender, and skill, have equal opportunities. So when people included, they feel empowered. When they feel empowered, it leads to stronger and united communities. So inclusivity matters because we all deserve to belong. Inclusivity matters because it reminds us that we all deserve to belong. And it's not about erasing the differences, but rather than celebrating them. So, and it's something that we're striving for.